Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna do a super quick eyeliner tutorial, kind of for beginners or just people who are not used to doing eyeliner. Eyeliner can really just bump up your look and make you look so much more awake and healthy also. So yeah, I'm just going to, the eyeliner I'm going to use is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I really suggest this eyeliner for someone who is just learning how to do eyeliner or more of a beginner in makeup. Only because it is a marker, so you're kind of already used to writing with it. It's just similar to like writing with a pen or a marker. Most eyeliner markers like this will come out too light or kind of with a dry texture, and it's really difficult to work with. So this one is really easy to work with, and it's super black, super thin line, and it just is a perfect utensil, I think. If you're going through the drugstore for your eyeliner, I would suggest one in this shape. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, my favorite. There's also Revlon also has one that looks like this, and a couple other brands, but just the soft tip that it comes with is pretty easy to work with, and this particular one is super black. It's a little bit liquidy, but it still gets the job done fairly simply. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a really skinny line with my tattoo liner and then wing it out. That's another thing. Winging it out is just going to make your eyes look way more feminine. If you're into that, then I would say definitely practice the wings. Okay, so basically what I did here is I started in the middle and worked my way out, just because that is where the eyeliner is thicker, and if I mess up or anything, I am more comfortable messing up on the outside of my eye. And then I take it as my hand gets used to holding steady and whatnot, I take it inward more and all the way to the inner corner, and I literally just touch the lash line like that. I don't swipe or brush or anything. If you just dab it along your lash line, that is the easiest way to get it super thin and straight as well. So that is what the eyeliner comes out to look like so far. And like I said, I'm going to wing it out. It's up to you. The wing definitely adds a girly, feminine aspect to your eyeliner. Obviously it's already girly and feminine because it's makeup, but it just makes it just bumps it up a little bit more. For my wing on my eyeliner, I sort of just take the very corner of my eye and imagine a line following this lower lash line. If there was a line that kept on continuing, that is where I'm going to draw my eyeliner. So I just take my pencil, once I have the line that I like, the wing at the length that I like, I'm going to connect about maybe a centimeter in, maybe a half a centimeter in. I'm just going to connect that to the wing and fill in that empty space right there. And with this particular liner, you can really even it out if you have a little bump here and there. You can even out your eyeliner without thickening it way too much. So here's what the eyeliner looks like. And it just adds like such a feminine, womanly aspect. I love it so much. I'm just gonna do the other eye really quick. I'm also going to quickly just curl my lashes and add some mascara to finish off this simple look. Alrighty, I just wanted to hop on and show you guys a simpler way to line the eyes while still totally effective and totally beautiful, and it really just completes the look in my opinion. Although there's many tools that will help you get a really nice eye line, all that you can really do to get a perfect eye line, the perfect wing, the perfect whatever you're going for, all you can really do for that is practice, practice, practice. And I know that sounds really cheesy, but honestly it kind of applies to everything in life. Like if you really want to be good at something, you have to practice. And it's basically honestly because of your muscle memory. Like when your muscles do something repetition over and over and over again, they get used to the same thing quicker and quicker, and you can fine tune what you're doing once you have the basic movement of it. So even though it sounds really cheesy, it's actually totally true, and that's all I did. Eyeliner is so awesome. I think all you can really do is practice, practice, practice to get it to look the way you want. But if you do practice, it will totally pay off in the end. Now I can do eyeliner in a matter of minutes, like a couple minutes, maybe tops for each side, and it's usually pretty easy to fix if I mess up. And granted, you're always going to have mishaps and mess up sometimes, but it becomes way easier to fix, and also you just get a lot better at it. So yeah, I hope you guys learned something new today and can maybe put it to use in your makeup routine sometime. And comment down below, let me know your favorite eyeliner trick, and let me know your favorite eyeliners to use. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!